Ever tried opening a super tight jar? You twist harder, harder, and pop. That twisting force you just used, that's torque. And your car uses the exact same principle to move. Torque is simply a rotational force, a twisting power that makes things spin. In cars, torque is what turns the crankshaft and eventually spins your wheels. Without torque, your car wouldn't even roll an inch. Here's the science part. Torque equals force times distance from the pivot point. That means if you push a wrench from the very end, you create more torque than if you push near the center. More leverage equals more twisting power. So why does this matter in cars? Because torque gets you moving. More torque means your car can launch quickly from zero or pull heavy loads without struggling. That's why trucks and SUVs boast about torque. They need it for towing and climbing hills. A small hatchback, like a Suzuki Swift, has around 110 newton meters of torque, enough for your city rides. A Porsche 911? Around 450 newton meters. That's why it slingshots when you hit the gas. And a big diesel truck? Over 1,000 newton meters of torque. That's like a bodybuilder lifting an elephant. Now, here's the cool part. Torque is strength. Horsepower is speed over time. Torque gives you the raw push to move heavy things. Horsepower decides how fast you can keep moving. A tractor has crazy torque but low horsepower. Great for pulling, terrible for racing. A Ferrari? The opposite. So next time someone brags about speed, ask them, cool, but what's your torque? Because without torque, even the fastest car is going nowhere. Thanks for watching. If you want more car content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button.